In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chapter in Zoho Learn. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Zoho Learn workspace. This is where you organize and manage all your learning materials. Once you're in, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click on Learning. This option acts as your gateway to accessing all the courses and chapters you're working on. Next up, you need to navigate to My Authoring. This section is dedicated to the content that you have the authority to edit or modify. Clicking on My Authoring will bring up all the courses you've authored or have access to. Now, find the course that contains the chapter you want to delete. Once you've identified the correct course, click on it to access its content. This will open up a list of all chapters within the course. Have a look through and select the chapter you intend to delete. It's important to double-check here to ensure that you're selecting the right one to avoid deleting anything unintentionally. With the chapter selected, look for the 3 dots, which usually symbolize additional options. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with different actions you can take. One of these options will be Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. At this point, Zoho Learn will ask you to confirm your decision with a prompt. This is a safeguard against accidental deletions, so it's a good thing that the system double-checks with you. Confirm that you do wish to delete the chapter, and with that, the chapter will be removed from the course. And there you have it. The chapter is now deleted. Remember, this is a permanent action, and once confirmed, the chapter along with any content inside it will be completely removed. So always ensure that deleting is exactly what you want to do before proceeding with these steps. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble managing your course efficiently. Deleting a chapter can help you keep your content organized and relevant, ensuring that your learners receive the most valuable and up-to-date information possible. Keep in mind that these actions are part of best practices in content management. As you continue using Zoho Learn, such processes will become second nature. That wraps up today's guide. Now you're all set to manage your courses like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on navigating Zoho Learn.